Security protocols engaged. Copier algorithms are in standby mode. Have a productive day, sir.
System initialization successful. Risk parameters loaded.
Narrator mode engaged. I will now analyze and speak every market movement for you.
Latest intel, sir. High-impact risks to gold. In the next 4 hours. 1. Pivotal NFP report release may trigger a flight to safety, potentially benefiting USD and inversely affecting gold price. Risk level, high. 2. Escalation of US and Israeli military action against Iran may increase geopolitical tensions, potentially driving gold price upwards. Risk level, medium. 3. Gap Incorporated SQ4 2025 earnings disappointment may impact overall stock market sentiment, potentially benefiting gold as a safe haven asset. Risk level, medium. 4. Pound sterling to US dollar drift lower may indicate a potential increase in gold price due to a weaker British pound. Risk level, low medium. 5. Uncertainty surrounding US stock market and economic outlook may influence investor sentiment, potentially benefiting gold as a safe haven asset. Risk level, medium. Updated, 11:43.
Your environmental parameters have been successfully written to local disk and mirrored securely to the Superbase cloud cluster. Synchronizing data with the central servers. Please wait. Signal intercepted. Passing the market parameters now, sir. Executing a market sell order. The short position is now locked and active, sir. We have a new signal, sir. Scanning the data string to validate the trading logic. Signal rejected. The local time constraints forbid me from deploying capital at this particular moment. Long position established. Our order is now floating in the market. Let's hope for an upward momentum. Sir, the broker bridge appears to be severed. Please ensure the MetaTrader client is actively running on this local machine. Sir, I detect signs of emotional fatigue. I strongly recommend a tactical pause.